boys, heated seats. We definitely need that during the winter. It is a little bit cold. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Match here as always. Today we are kind of starting a different style because I gotta go to Home Depot. Home Depot is kind of my second house, if you will, because you know I'm always doing stuff at the house. I also have something to do on the truck. We are finally get rid of these stripes. I know if you are upset, me too, but remember, every time we do something like that, it's for something better. I don't know if you guys noticed, but by now you should know that I kind of like to do wraps and work with vinyl. I don't know anything though, but I really like it. As of now, I'm going to Home Depot and then I'll go back and I'm gonna remove these stripes, and I also need to remove some stuff on the Corvette. So it's kind of, today it's kind of a removing day. But if you saw the thumbnail, you know, of course the stripes are the main thing. Because you know, I put those stripes though like back when I got the truck. I don't know, the OG subscribers, they gonna know that, you know, we had red stripes before we get the black, but now it's time to move on. It's time to change a little bit. And as I mentioned on my last video, if you didn't watch, make sure to watch the Q&A. It was great, it was really good. I really appreciate you guys' questions. We're gonna wrap the truck. Maybe I'll do by myself, maybe I'll do, you know, I'll partner with somebody and we're gonna do, I don't know. That's again, that's a further conversation. But now, Home Depot, my second home. Look, Ford Ranger. Of course, that's kind of a work truck, but still, I don't like it. I don't like it. Well, Christmas. It's Christmas time. I found it, what I needed, but I still need something else, but now for my garage. Well, if you're gonna spend money, let's spend money on the right things. The idea here is, you guys know the I have like 2 posts on my garage. We're gonna wrap with rope, but I gotta decide which color, and it seems they don't have like the color, that nice color, I would say. To be honest, I like the blue though, because that kind of ties with my wall, but they have another blue here. It's gonna be expensive because each one's like $12. Let's say I need, I don't know, 4 for each column. Well, regardless, I need a rope for my truck, so I might take, what do you guys think? The blue one? The blue one is nice and it's cheaper. I mean, it's not a huge difference, it's $1 difference, but still.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Yeah, the idea of doing stuff with the rope was my wife's idea. She loved those kind of stuff, so we're gonna give it a try. I don't think it's gonna be a cheap project at all, but we're gonna give it a try and see how that goes. That prevents also to open the doors towards the columns, and the Corvette stays really close to the columns, unfortunately, because my garage is not that big. So I think that's a good solution. And again, the Ford Ranger. If you have a Ford, don't get mad on me. Who is the mid-size truck? Huh? The Ram or the Colorado? I don't need to say anything else, right? If you guys are not watching Corvette stuff, I get it, but I'm doing a lot of stuff in the garage and it's kind of tied with the Corvette content. I try to put everything together, like the Corvette content, the garage content. So the rope thing, it's one thing. Now I gotta stop by another place. I want to get a banner, but unfortunately I cannot review today. But maybe in a couple of weeks. I think you guys gonna like it, but unfortunately, as I said, I cannot reveal it. So, and then let's work on the truck.
2,000 years later.
I got everything done at home. And dude, I'll tell you, I'm so tired. But anyway, it's time to remove the stripes. Yeah, it is. And I need to do as soon as possible. It's really easy to remove it. It's just vinyl. I'm kind of, I don't know. It's gonna be weird to see this truck without the stripes. I'm not gonna give that away, of course, because I want you guys to watch, but I'm gonna do something else and I need to do by next week. I'm gonna show exactly what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a trial though, so I really hope I can get that right. And then after that, I'm gonna remove the brake calipers from the Corvette. Yes, I know a lot of people giving me a lot of crap about it, blah, 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 blah. So I will get done today. Let's focus on the truck first because that's the main thing. If you guys can see here, you know, it's coming out by itself, to be honest. So that's the good thing about vinyl though. You can't just easily remove it. And now pause for the thumbnail. It's cold, my hands are freezing. The good thing about vinyl though is just it comes out like this. There you go. That's a good thing about vinyl. It comes out super easy. To be honest, I don't even remember the last time I saw this truck without stripes. There we go, side one, remove it. Dude. Oh my god, I don't know. I might regret, I might not, we'll see. So let's do the other side. Ah, it's cold. Ah, something is missing. So, oh boy, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. And to be honest, I forgot how clean my engine bay is. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, dude, I don't even remember this truck without these stripes. Look at this, so white. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, as I mentioned, we're gonna do something. I said to you guys, you know, I really wanna learn some kind of wrapping stuff. So stay tuned. I need to get done by next week, so I'm gonna buy the material today. I hope I get it by Monday or Tuesday, and then I can install on Wednesday. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna look better. Trust me, it's gonna look better. You can see like the marks because the truck is kind of dirty, but that part's clean. So the truck without the stripes, dude. Look at that, it's so white. It's not gonna be like this for a long time. So bear with me, right? My hands are freezing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close that door because it's getting cold. We're gonna take advantage of my new lighting in the garage. You know, just wanna remove that because, I know, it looks horrible. I might as well just do today because, I don't know. The weather is awful, today is very cold. Let's go to work. Believe it or not, the jacket doesn't fit. I get it, it's fake, but and it's really simple to remove. There's just this bolt here, you just unscrew. There's one on the bottom as well. I'm gonna upgrade the brakes anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, I might paint it. Ah, good idea. That's the same thing I used to clean the truck brake calipers when we painted. It's really good actually. No more fake cover for the calipers. So I'll finish the other side. And then there's one more thing I want to show you guys.
Eventually.
Okay, those two sides are done. Just to prove you guys, the two sides are done. There you go, both done. I took it out yesterday, so I need to give it a wash. But I don't know, it's too cold. We have a challenge though. If you don't know Dave, he has the top off challenge which like you gotta drive with the top off in the coldest temperature. So, and you gotta record it. So follow me on Instagram. I will definitely do it. Not today, but I will definitely do it. Show you guys the idea of the rope. That's the idea. So if you have like a post on your garage, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do like all the way to the top. It's kind of gonna match. You see, you guys can see how it's gonna match, like, you know, the idea that I'm going with. If you hit the door there, it's not gonna do anything with the door. So we're gonna do the two. This one was just like a trial. And we're gonna see the color as well, if that's what we want. Before we go, let's look one more time at the truck. There she is, boys, with no stripe. I guarantee it's gonna be worth it. I guarantee it's gonna be worth it. So next upload. Boys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. You know, when I'm going through things in life, I like to share with you guys. I just wanna say, don't listen to those they don't believe in you. First of all, you need to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, who is gonna believe in you? Believe in, trust in your ideas, take to, you know, next step, move forward, and just don't listen whoever is trying to push you down or stop you. Because again, everything you get in life, it's on you. Sometimes you get lucky, but mainly it's through hard work and persistence. Again, don't listen to those people, the gossiping around you. Try to stay away from that thing, because that thing is not gonna take you anywhere. It's just gonna stop to achieve your goals. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next upload with something special for the truck. As always, never forget, enjoy your life. Well, you know what? I'm gonna miss those stripes, but something big coming, boys. I challenge you to watch those two videos in front of you. If you're not watching, again, you are missing a lot. But if you are watching, thank you so much. See you, boys.